low-carb cocktails. Today we're going to switch it up a little bit different. I'm here in Scott, Louisiana at Uncle T's Oyster Bar working with JT Meleck to show you how they do their Meleck Masquerade. Let's get drinking. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is JT Meleck Vodka. If you've seen all my other videos of how much I absolutely love this vodka, you can check the link right here. There'll be a review video I've done on this vodka. So we start off, and I'm mixing tin with 1.5 ounces of JT Meleck Vodka. Next, we're going to go with blue curacao. Now, the bowl's blue curacao is going to have 7 grams of carbs per ounce, where you'll be using 1/2 ounce, so this is going to have 3.5 grams of carbs. Next, we're going to go with Diet Ocean Spray Cranberry Juice. We're using 2.5 ounces. That's going to give us 0.75 carbs. That is 2.5. Next, we're going to go with our Splenda syrup. As you see my recipes before, 1 gram of carb per ounce. 1/2 a carb, because we're only using 1/2 ounce. Now, this is where it's going to come up a little bit. This total cocktail is going to have, I think it's 6.5 grams of carbs total if you use a fresh lemon juice, which we will be. Using bottled lemon juice, you'll cut out the carb from the lemon juice. 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Right, go ahead and put that in our other tin. And let's shake it. All right, next, we're going to strain that over some fresh ice. And garnish that with a lemon twist. And there you have Meleck Masquerade. Thanks a lot for watching.